Okay.
Today's challenge for the connectors is the Twin Tracks.
Twins! All right! Great idea, Danny. Well done, Matt! I'll start the design. 2 identical tracks. We'll put in some special effects, okay? Nice going, Tom. A fan man, there. Great idea. Come on, guys. Let's grab what we need. Put it all in your backpacks and we'll go outside. Grab the cars. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's build the track outside. Good idea. Let's start. The boosters. Connectors! It's time to connect! Let's do this! 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! Go, go! Yeah! Now we're gonna win. You be the starter and I'll watch the speedometer. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! All right! We'll win next. Doesn't matter. We're the best! Let's try again.
Don't miss the next episode where the connectors will create another awesome track. Join the team at HotWheels.com. Sets, track, cars, and apparel each sold separately. Batteries not included. Adults assemble.